So we get this situation. Let f of x equals to this. If this equals to this, then the value of f of 1. Okay, so let's find out the result. So we have to integrate x cube root over 3 minus x square dx. You know that if we will integrate this x power 3, we can integrate it very easily. If we have to integrate 3 minus x square, we can integrate that thing also very easily. But we cannot integrate both things together, correct? So for that, what we will do, we will try to apply substitution method. Okay, you know that we used to take that thing as z, which we find to be annoying. So if you'll observe the question, according to me, I feel that this part is little bit annoying. So I will take that thing as z. So we have root over 3 minus x square. Now, what I will do square both sides, because right now if I'll differentiate, I can differentiate, you will also differentiate, but it will become little bit complicated. If you start solving, you may get ugly things. Okay, so to get rid of this root, I will do squaring both sides. So z square equals to 3 minus x square. Now just go with the differentiation both side. So let's go with the differentiation both side. So it will become 2z dz by dx. You have to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of constant is what? 0. And differentiation of minus of x square is minus of 2x. Now be super slow. You can eliminate this 2 with that 2. So z times dz is equal to minus of x times dx. Now what I'll do, I'll multiply both sides by minus. Now look at this part. I can write x dx as minus of z dz. So I will create that situation. Just be super slow. So we have x square this side, 3 minus x square, and then x dx. So I have created situation of x dx. So just look at this, how I will manipulate things. So my idea is first replace this. So x dx is minus of z dz. Now who is this component? This component was z. Okay, so can I take that thing as z? Now you have to convert this thing also in terms of z. So for that you can take help of this scenario. Look at this. From here you can extract value of x square. So can I write value of x square as 3 minus z square? Okay. Now let's open this bracket and look at this, what will happen. So we have 3 times z square minus z power 4 dz. Okay. Now let's go with the integration part. So let's do the integration. So we will have 3 z power 3 by 3 minus z power 5 by 5, and then plus integration constant c. Now let's open the bracket. So we will have minus of z cube plus of z power 5 by 5 plus c. Now you know that your question was not in terms of z, the question was in terms of x. So now you have to replace your z. So who was z? Z was root over 3 minus x square. So can I write f of x as minus of 3 minus x square power 1 by 2 power 3. Okay, plus 3 minus x square power 1 by 2 power 5 by 5 plus c. Now look at this. So we will do little bit of simplification, and the simplification will go this way. So minus of 3 minus x square power 3 by 2 plus 3 minus x square power 5 by 2 by 5 plus c. Now look at this. To find, now we have to find out value of f of 1. Before finding value of f of 1, you should have proper f of x. Why I am talking about proper f of x? Because you don't know who is c. So first you have to find out value of c. To get value of c, they have given you this result. Okay. So 5 times f of root 2 is minus 4. So 5 times f of root 2 is minus of 4. So what I will do, I'll replace x with root 2. Okay. To find out value of c. Look at this. So f of root 2. So it is minus of root 2 square. Okay. So root 2 square is 2. So 1 minus 2 is 1. 1 power 3 by 2 is 1. Plus 3. 3 minus 3 minus 2, 1. 1 power 5 by 2 is 1. So it is 1 by 5 plus c. Okay. Now look at this. You know that f of root 2 you can extract from here. F of root 2 is minus of 4 by 5. Now look at this. If you will simplify, you will find that minus of 5 plus 1 by 5 plus c. This is also minus 4 by 5. This thing gone. So the value of c is 0. So you got value of c as 0. Now you can write down your proper function f of x as minus of 3 minus x square power 3 by 2 plus 3 minus x square power 5 by 2 upon 5. C is 0. Now you have to find out f of 1. Now you can replace x with 1. So f of 1 will become what? 2. 2 to the power minus 2 power 3 by 2 plus 1 you have to remove. So it will become 2 power 5 by 2 upon 5. Now let's do the little bit of simplification. I'll take LCM. So it is 5 times, so 2 power 5 by 2 minus 5 times 2 power 3 by 2 by 5. Okay, so look at this. What I'll do, I'll take 2 power 3 by 2 common. So we will be left with what? You can write this component as 2 power 3 by 2 into 2 power 1 है ना. So you can write 2 minus 5 by 5. Okay, so look at this thing will become minus of 3. So minus of 3 into 2 into 2 power 1 by 2 by 5. So this thing will become what? Minus of 6 times 2 power 1 by 2 by 5. Okay, I hope you got the approach, and now you can understand that why we have taken integrating constant and how we will find out the value of integrating constant. Okay.